Write the differences between respiration and combustion. Answer: Respiration. It occurs in living cells. It occurs at the body temperature. Energy is released in several stages. Several intermediates are formed. Enzymes are required. It occurs in the presence of water. It is a controlled process. Energy is stored in ATP in the body. Combustion. It is non-cellular. Heat is to be applied. Energy is released at once as heat. No intermediates are formed. Enzymes are not required. It occurs in the absence of water. It is an uncontrolled process. Energy is not stored. Why does the rate of breathing increase while walking uphill at a normal pace in the mountains? Give two reasons. Answer: Reason number 1. As we go up the hill above sea level, the concentration of oxygen is greatly reduced. So we have to breathe the more to get required amount of oxygen. Reason number 2. Ascending a mountain is an activity against gravitation. So we have to use more energy to overcome the gravitational pull. To get more energy, more oxygen is required. Hence, rate of breathing increases. Why does a deep sea diver carry oxygen on his back? Answer: A deep sea diver carries an oxygen cylinder for breathing because he cannot use the oxygen which is dissolved in water like a fish. Why we are advised not to talk while eating food? Answer: Pharynx is a common passage for food and air. From here, two passages are started, one end to the lungs and another end to the stomach. Epiglottis, a flap-like valve, protects the windpipe, arresting entry of food. If we talk while eating, the food may enter into windpipe in order to send them to out of the wind. Pipe choking occurs. So we are advised not to talk while eating food. What happens if diaphragm is not there in the body? Answer: Diaphragm plays a major role in the respiratory movements. Due to the contraction and relaxation of a diaphragm, the pressure in the lungs decreased and increased. The inhalation and exhalation takes place. If diaphragm is not present in the inhalation and exhalation will not take place, hence breathing fails, which leads to the death of organism. If you have a chance to meet a pulmonologist, what questions you are going to ask about pulmonary respiration? Answer: What is the cause for lung cancer? What is asthma? How can asthma be cured? What is bronchitis? How can bronchitis be cured? What is pneumonia? How is it caused? What is TB? Can be cured permanently? How can you say that carbon dioxide is released during respiration? Aim: To prove that carbon dioxide is released during plants' respiration. Apparatus: two plastic glass bottles, germinating seeds, dry seeds, two small beakers or injection bottles with lime water. Procedure: Take a handful of moong or bajra seeds. Soak the seeds in water a day before. Keep these soaked seeds in a cloth pouch and tie with a string tightly. Next day, collect the spouts and keep it in The bottle. Take a small injection bottle or beaker and fill with lime water. Tie a thread to the mouth of the small bottle, insert it in the bottle. Close the big bottle tightly. Make a similar set with dry seeds. Keep both the sets undisturbed for 1 or 2 days. Observation. After 2 days, it can be observed that lime water turns into milk white precipitate. There is no change in the lime water of dry seeds bottle. Result. It indicates that germinating seeds liberated carbon dioxide which turns lime water into white precipitate. How can you say that heat is liberated during respiration? Answer. Aim. To prove that carbon dioxide is liberated during plants' respiration. Apparatus. Thermoflask, 2 thermometers, rubber corks, dry seeds, germinating seeds. Procedure. Take a handful of moong or bajra seeds. Soak the seeds in water a day before. Keep these soaked seeds in a cloth pouch and tie with a string tightly. Next day, collect the sprouts and keep it in a thermos flask. Take dry seeds in another thermoflask. Remove the lid and insert one whole rubber cork in its neck. Insert thermometers into 2 flasks through these holes. Record the initial temperature in both the flask and record it for every 2 hours. Observation. Constant increase in the temperature is observed in thermometer placed in the germinating seeds. There is no increase in the temperature of dry seeds. Result. It is proved that the germinated seeds respire and liberated heat. Analyze the given data and answer the questions. Why does the amount of oxygen vary between exhaled and inhaled air? Answer. Because some amount of oxygen is utilized during cellular respiration. What has raised the percentage of carbon dioxide in exhaled air? Answer. Carbon dioxide is released from all the cells in the body in respiration. How much of oxygen is used in respiration? Answer. 5%. Which gas is not involved in respiration? Answer is nitrogen. Draw the flowchart of events steps in respiration.